Now let's take a look at the different icons that are on the bottom bar. These take you to useful features that help you learn and make it easier for you to use the program. The first symbol on the far left will take you back to the previous screen. The second symbol from the left is to select specific subject areas. By pressing this symbol, you will see an overview of all the topics. Now select an area and you will only be shown the questions that belong to that topic. Bookmark function. When you press this symbol, the field Add Bookmark will appear. This saves the current question as a bookmark. If you have already saved several bookmarks, you can return to one by pressing the bookmark symbol and then select Bookmark. Comment function. If you get stuck on a question, you can use the comment function to display the correct answer. The correct answer is then marked in green. Please note that to ensure the correct answer is not displayed when you move on to the next question, you must first deactivate the comment function. A particularly useful feature is shown when you press the symbol with the bar chart. This will show you a precise evaluation of your learning progress. At the top, you will see an overall evaluation and below that, a more detailed evaluation for each of the subject areas. Language selection. On the far right of the toolbar, you can select a language by pressing the symbol with the globe. The test exam simulates a real exam. Therefore, there are some differences in answering the questions compared to the normal practice questions. At the top of the navigation, you will see the number of questions in the exam. At the bottom of the toolbar, you will find the selection of topics and the bookmark icon. In contrast to the normal exercise questions, the icons for the comment and statistics functions are missing. Also, the language cannot be changed here. Instead, the remaining time is displayed in the middle of the toolbar. Once the time has run out, or if you press the exit icon at the bottom right, you will be shown the result of the test. You will find out whether you have passed the exam or not, as well as how many points you have achieved. Pressing OK takes you to the checked questions. Correct answers are marked green and incorrect answers are marked red. You can return to the overview screen by pressing the back button.